Hey guys, it's Zach with Oregon Mountain Marketing, and what I want to show you right now is a way to get Facebook and Instagram ads made either for extremely cheap prices or completely free. And I'm going to show you two ways to do that. Number one is a company called Fiverr that I've been using for a while. Fiverr allows you to, I guess, utilize freelancers. So people who are willing to do work for a certain price. And they can either be in the United States or they can be people working from all over the entire world. So, it really allows you to get some really low cost ads made if you find the right people to do them. So, Fiverr offers a ton of different services, including things from programming and tech to graphic design, digital marketing, writing and translation, video and animation, music and audio, business, lifestyle, and industry. Um, right now, we're going to look at Facebook ads. So, one of the ways that you do it is you just look up people who are willing to uh, build Facebook ads for you, and then you're going to start to see prices. So starting price 25, 125, $20, $20. Now, $125 for a Facebook ad is a little bit steep if you ask me, or I guess this would be a video, but let's see, our studio will create thumb-stopping Facebook video ads. So it's a video ad for 125 bucks. But, if you don't want to spend that, you can use the filters up here. You can go to budget. I'm going to put our budget at $5. I'm going to apply that. I am also going to filter out that I do want it done in 24 hours, so express. And the seller details, I want them to be at least a level 2 seller. So one of the things when you're choosing someone to do your Facebook or Instagram ads for you on Fiverr is one thing you want to make sure that they have close to, if not a 5-star review. And I usually like to have at least 100, like over here, this number right here, you can see that 15 people gave it a 5-star review. And over here, out of 742 people, uh, they averaged a 4.9 star review out of a 5, which is pretty dang good. So, I can take a look at them. And basically, how this works is you're going to pay $5 plus a small fee that Fiverr takes as well. I think it's like $2 and some change. So you'll end up spending $7 and some change for this one premium Facebook ad that you get to choose the side um, or choose the size of the ad. And you can kind of scroll through some of their work, see if it's something that you would find beneficial. And then you can choose to go with them. And so you would email them or you would send them a message, you would purchase, or you can chat with them before you can contact them up here and say, hey, here's what I'm thinking of doing. Is this something that you can do? And they'll get back to you relatively quick. However, if you're contacting someone overseas, they might get back to you on a different a different time because they're in a different time zone. But anyways, so that's something that you can do here. You can go to Fiverr, you can kind of talk with them, you can explain your vision for the ad, and you can get that done. Now, if you don't want to spend any money on an ad, there is a site called Canva. Now, Canva, um, they have a paid for version, which is Canva Pro, and that gives you a little bit more control over your ad design. However, the Canva free version isn't bad at all. And it allows you to download the ads that you create and you can post them. So it's not like one of those things where you design an ad and get really excited to post it and then it pops up with pretty much a form for credit card information or anything like that. It doesn't do that. However, it will prompt you to get Canva Pro from time to time, but if you don't want to do it, you don't have to. So let's go to Facebook posts, and then we can go to blank here. And we can literally start building. Go to photos. We can literally start browsing through photos that you want to use. You can go to, I was recently building an ad for a church. So for instance, we could use the church one here, and then we'll scale up the size a little bit. Then you can add text. Change the text color to white if it's not white already. And then text church to, uh-oh, okay, we'll move this up here, add some subheading, make sure it's white. Join us this Sunday from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. So you get the gist. You can see how, you know, it gives you options. Now also you can do video as well. So let's say if you wanted an ocean backdrop or something, a backdrop that's moving. Well, this allows you to do it. And it's very easy to create simple Facebook posts. So there's another option. Now, of course, if you want to publish it directly to Facebook, you can. If you want to download it, you can go ahead and download it and then post it. I'm not going to download it right now. But yeah, so that's basically the two ways that, or the two methods that I personally use is Canva or Fiverr. Fiverr I use a lot for video advertising and things like that. But both have great resources available and a lot of smart people, you know, that are able to go ahead and complete projects and jobs that you need done. And I'm telling you, they have a lot of different things for extremely cheap. So, anyways, I just wanted to pass over this information to you in case you felt overwhelmed when it came to designing Facebook ads or Instagram ads or posts or whatnot. This is a great tool that I use, and I hope that you find it very helpful as well.